What if your next car could think, learn, and protect you? This is AVATR 11, not just an electric SUV, but a smart machine on wheels. Before you skip, wait till you see what's hiding inside this beast. You'll be shocked. Would you drive an AI-powered car? Yes or no? Design and exterior. AVATR 11 looks like it came straight from 2035. Frameless doors, hidden handles, sharp LED lights, coupe-style roof. Every curve improves aerodynamics, every angle screams luxury. Rate this design from 1 to 10. Drop your score in comments. Interior and comfort. Welcome to your private luxury lounge. Premium leather seats, 3 massive digital screens, ambient lighting, 0 physical buttons. It feels more like a spaceship cockpit than a normal car. Would you choose this interior over Mercedes or BMW? Type Avatar or German. Performance and speed. Dual electric motors. Instant torque. 0 to 100 kilometers an hour under 4 seconds. All-wheel drive, smooth and silent power. This SUV can beat sports cars while carrying your family. Tag someone who loves fast cars. Smart technology. AVATR 11 uses Huawei's AI driving system, smart lane assist, auto parking, collision prevention, voice control, OTA software updates. This car learns your habits and adjusts automatically. Would you trust AI to drive you? Yes or no? How it's made. AVATR 11 is built with robotic precision, aircraft-grade aluminum, crash testing labs, fire protection layers. Every car goes through 200+ quality checks. Do you prefer hand-built cars or robot-built? Comment. Battery and charging. High-density lithium battery, long range, fast charging, smart cooling system, fire protection layers. Charge once, drive all day. How far do you drive daily? 50 kilometers or 200 kilometers? User benefits. Why AVATR 11 is perfect for you. 0 fuel cost, low maintenance, silent driving, eco-friendly, smart safety, premium status. It saves money and gives luxury and technology together. Would you buy this or a petrol SUV? Type EV or petrol. AVATR 11 isn't just a car. It's a statement. It's future mobility. It's power with intelligence. The real question is, are you ready to drive the future?